Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your video with the new auto adjust feature on Capcut. So with the auto adjust, you can automatically adjust the lighting like the brightness or other color adjustment on Capcut, and Capcut will do it automatically for you. So here what you guys need to do is just go straight to the adjust menu at the bottom, just swipe and it will be at the corner at the last menu. Here click on adjust. Okay, so here you'll find auto adjust, but please be note that this feature can only be used if you are on the Capcut Pro. So click on the auto adjust and just swipe the circle to the right to adjust how much you want that feature applied to your video, like this. Okay, after that just click on the check icon. So I'm going to just drag it like this, and this is the before and here is the after. You can see the difference, right? Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thanks button, click on the thumbs up icon, and also comment if you have any question, and subscribe. Bye.